Hey, what is up guys, it's your boy Arj, and I just woke up, received a package from Gymshark, and there's another package which will be coming later on, so you'll see that in a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see if we can do this with one hand. And I am in the kitchen right now, so do excuse me. So there it is, it's the trousers by Gymshark. It's the fitted one, it's not the lug fit, it's the tapered fit. So go ahead and open it up, and it's in black. Just do this with one hand. I already bought trousers from them before. I bought a lug fit trouser which was a medium, and my friend, he's pretty much the same size as me, and he said, well, buy the small because he's got small. Small fits him just as fine, and obviously it's a lot more fitted. So I want to quickly try that on, and I'll show you in the video how it looks. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. This is the front view. Show the side view. Should I take my jacket off so you can see it a bit better? And then this is the back view. So obviously you've got two pockets at the back, you've got Gymshark logo there, you've got the zip pockets which is, you know, very nice and smooth, got a logo at the front and tapered fit. These are size small, I can fit into a medium as well, but I just thought I want it a bit tighter, so I'll go for a small. Alright guys, so check it out, my parcel just arrived, the second one of the day. And this is my protein shake. So this is the newest one I've got. Let's see if we could do this with one hand. And also again, I'm in the kitchen. You can see the toaster. Let's go ahead, take that off. And a review of this will be coming real soon, like always. But before I just do a quick unboxing. Let's move that box out the way. There it is. That is the new Reflex Instant Balance Heavyweight. This is going to be my newest weight gainer. So I've finished my Serious Mass. So this is the newest one. I'm just going to quickly show you the label. And what they have actually done is we packaged it so it looks like a whole new product. Definitely looks the balls. So it's got 60 grams of protein, as you can see there. It's also got L-glutamine, and it's got creatine, and it's got vitamin D and other minerals in there as well. Minerals and vitamins. Show you the back real quick. So each scoop will be 1,160 calories, and of that it's going to be 4.8 grams of fat, and you're getting 6 grams of protein, and these are the other bunch of vitamins and minerals and so on and so forth. So ingredients, let's have a quick read. Obviously, like I said guys, I will be doing a proper in-depth review, and I'll be explaining how to take this and exactly what the value is, so what you're getting per scoop. So again, this is the unboxing of the Gymshark trousers and the new weight gainer that I'm taking. So stay tuned for a review of this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.